Before we begin, I would like to warmly welcome all of you to this channel and sincerely thank you for spending your valuable time with us today. By watching this video, you are taking an important step toward improving your English speaking skills and building confidence for your future. This video will help you in many valuable ways. You will improve your English listening skills through simple and clear English. You will learn useful vocabulary and easy daily expressions. You will practice pronunciation and speaking confidence. And most importantly, you will understand how to start speaking English naturally without fear or embarrassment. So this is not just an English lesson. This is also a guide to confidence, communication, self-improvement, and personal growth. Now relax your mind, stay focused, and let's begin. Today, we are going to talk about an important topic: how to start speaking English. Many people dream of speaking English fluently. They want to communicate confidently at school, work, interviews, travel, or with international friends. But there is one common problem. Many learners are afraid to start speaking. Some people think, my grammar is not perfect, my pronunciation is not good, I do not know enough vocabulary. People will laugh at my mistakes. Because of these fears, they remain silent. But here is an important truth. As you do not become fluent before speaking, you become fluent by speaking. Every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. Nobody starts perfectly. Fluency grows through daily practice, patience, and courage. Now let's practice some English sentences together. Repeat after me slowly and clearly. I can speak English. I improve every day. I am not afraid of mistakes. I speak with confidence. Very good. Now let's discuss the first important step. Start with simple English. Many learners make one big mistake. They try to speak very advanced English from the beginning. When they cannot do this, they lose confidence. But remember this, simple English is powerful English. You do not need difficult words to communicate. Start with short and easy sentences. For example, my name is John. I am happy today. I like music. I want to learn English. Simple speaking practice builds confidence step by step. Now repeat after me. I start with simple English. I practice every day. My confidence grows slowly. Excellent. Number 2, listen before speaking. Good speakers are usually good listeners. When you listen to English regularly, your brain slowly learns pronunciation, sentence patterns, and natural expressions. You can listen to English videos, podcasts, movies, songs, motivational speeches. At first, you may not understand everything. That is completely normal. The important thing is consistency. The more you listen, the more natural English becomes in your mind. Now repeat after me slowly. I learn through listening. I listen carefully every day. My English improves naturally. Very good. 3. Speak without fear. Fear is one of the biggest obstacles in language learning. Many learners remain silent because they fear mistakes. But mistakes are not failures. Mistakes are part of learning. A child learns to walk by falling many times. In the same way, English learners improve by practicing and correcting mistakes. If you wait for perfect English before speaking, you may wait forever. So speak now. Speak with courage. Speak even if your sentences are simple. Now repeat after me confidently. I speak without fear. Mistakes help me improve. I become stronger every day. Excellent. Number 4, practice daily speaking English once a week is not enough. Fluency grows through daily practice. Even 10 or 15 minutes of speaking practice every day can create huge improvement over time. You can practice by speaking in front of a mirror, repeating sentences aloud, talking to friends, recording your voice, describing your daily activities in English. Daily repetition trains your brain and mouth to work together naturally. Now repeat after me. I practice English daily. Consistency creates success. I never stop learning. Very good. Number 5, learn useful vocabulary. Vocabulary is important because words are the tools of communication. But do not try to memorize hundreds of words quickly. Instead, learn a few useful words every day and use them in sentences. For example, happy learn practice, improve success. Now make simple sentences. I feel happy. I learn English daily. I practice every morning. I improve slowly. This method helps vocabulary stay longer in your memory. Now repeat after me slowly. I learn useful vocabulary. I use new words daily. My vocabulary grows every day. Excellent. Now let me tell you a meaningful story. There was once a young girl who wanted to speak English fluently. At first, she was very shy. She understood some English, but she was afraid to speak. Whenever someone spoke English near her, she became nervous and silent. One day, she made an important decision. She decided to practice a little every single day. She listened to English videos every morning. She repeated sentences aloud. She practiced speaking in front of a mirror, and she stopped worrying about mistakes. At first, her English was very simple, but slowly, her confidence began to grow. After several months, she could speak more clearly and naturally. 1 year later, she could communicate confidently with people from different countries. Why did she succeed? Not because she was naturally talented, not because she had expensive classes. She succeeded because she stayed consistent and never gave up. This story teaches us something powerful. Confidence grows through action, not through waiting. Now think about your own English journey. Are you waiting too long before speaking? Are you afraid of mistakes? Remember this. Every expert was once a beginner. Now take a deep breath and repeat after me slowly and confidently. I believe in myself. I speak step by step. I improve every day. I will become fluent. Excellent. Now let's understand another important truth. Learning English is not a race. Some people improve quickly, others improve slowly, but slow progress is still progress. The important thing is consistency and patience. If you continue practicing every day, your English will definitely improve. Now repeat after me one final time. I stay patient. I continue learning. I never give up. I become fluent with practice. Very good. At the end of this video, remember one powerful truth. English fluency begins the moment you stop being afraid to speak. So continue practicing, continue learning, and never stop believing in yourself. One day you will speak English confidently and proudly. Keep learning English, keep building confidence, and keep moving forward toward your dreams. Thank you again for watching this video and supporting this channel. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.